for kids, robotics and AI, assembling an advanced driving base.
So what you'll need for this task is the Lego Education robot, which you can build using the required Lego blocks for the task. Then the Lego Education Spike Time app, and then the available computer or iPad are going to get one and use.
About it, the coding language you'll be using is Blockly of Python. There are different courses that give you instructions on how to assemble the robots. So you'll be able to do the task for today. You have to download the lessons, and for those lessons you need the robots that they require you to build.
The link to get the app is this link here. And if you don't have the set, this is another link, but it's actually just optional, and you can get it and connect it to a device. And the first it would be let's install it and cancel and driving around, but we've already passed that. But here, it's actually an easy way to get the robot. Just search up Lego Spike Prime set, and after that you can just select this as it's the cheapest one, and it costs that much, and you add it to the cart.
And to install the application, we need to search for Lego Spike Prime software on Google and select the Spike Prime app to download it. So those are both. This is what you need to type, and this is the link to do it. And when you get onto it, it will come up with this, and all you need to press is accept.
Then you can select the device type you're going to install it on. Then you can click download here.
And after you've downloaded it, on the bottom left of your screen, you'll see Spike Prime down here, and you need to press it and open it in your files.
So the download you need to request is this one, the download installer, but you can also just go get the app. Then once it's done, you can open it and it'll get to the setup window. So you just click next, then it'll start installing it. You just need to wait until the bar is full. Then after that, you can click finish to exit. And here you can go to Windows and choose Spike Prime from there. It'll be under S as it's alphabetically ordered. It'll then bring you to home, and you have to go to Units Competition Ready. Then after that, we'll go into assembling an advanced driving base, which is the last thing we'll be doing for today. And this is a preview of what we'll be doing. Well, after you have the robot, if you have it, you can connect the robot to your computer using the cable. Then after that, you can click the play button. You can also use the Python codes too, and we'll be looking into that. And to get the Python code, you need Lego Spike Prime Python program PDF. Search for the Lego Spike Prime Python program PDF on Google. This is what you can search. Then click Python program. Then when you're to this page, you have to go down to the 23rd page and copy the code, open the new project on file,
and then you need to press Python, then create. Then it will come up with that code. You need to fix the code.
And this is what it will look like.
And then you can
Click on play it on the that's in the corner here. For the next lesson we'll be expanding our learning using the driving base.